Hi friends, today I wanted to show you how to upload something from Zoom um, into YouTube. So anyway, what I've got running right now is Zoom on my computer, and for the camera, I've got multiple cameras to select from. I'm just using the camera feed right now. Later on, I'll be sharing the screen so that you can um, see what's going on my screen. However, for now, I'll switch it over to my document camera. Here's a general overview. Zoom can read the camera from your laptop, or if you've got a document camera, a conference room camera, anything like that, it can read any one of these. When you're ready, there's a little button down on the bottom of your screen to start recording. Record all your course material, and then when you're done, click stop. And then in meeting for all, and then Zoom will take everything that you did, all of your different camera feeds, all that, make it into one file, or actually 3 files, but the one that you're looking for is a .mp4 file. Then you can upload it directly to Canvas if you want. I would discourage this because Canvas does have limited storage and you can fill that up. DropBox is a better option because DropBox was built to store things. And what I'm going to show you today is how to do this into a YouTube video. So once you've got your Zoom file made, what I always suggest is to put it into Dropbox. That's something baked in. You can either do it to the desktop app, but that requires you to install stuff. I usually recommend go to dropbox.com. You can drill down, click on the files view. I usually have my files set up just like I would on my computer. I've got a folder called classes, and then I've got a folder for each of the classes I teach. I teach one class on math, another on programming, another on design. And then inside of each one of these classes, I've got folders called videos. So inside math, I've got a videos folder. And then I break it down into which semester I'm teaching. So fall 19 or spring 20. And then you can click on share a file, and then it gives you the option to create a link. And I've actually got a video that I'll be uploading to YouTube right now. The video that I'm uploading to YouTube right now is the video that shows how to do this. But what we want to do in YouTube is actually get it uploaded to YouTube. And so that's what this video is about. Okay, so I will go ahead and share. Oh, actually, before I do that, this way you can see me squint and stuff when I screw up. So anyway, here we go, sharing my screen. When Dropbox gets done converting, it just drops it into a folder. Now, I already had my folder set up to drop things inside of my Zoom. You don't have to worry about that. This is the folder that I just did, or the file that I just did. I'm looking for the .mp4. You can see that on my view tab, I've got this little thing called file name extension selected. This way I can see it's a .mp4 file. So I'm going to rename this file right quick. I'm going to say Zoom to Dropbox to Canvas. Okay, so I will likely forget where this video is, but for now, I will just grab it and I will go out here to the internet, and I'm using an incognito browser so that it doesn't cache my credentials or anything like that. And I'm going to just go to youtube.com. And so we come here to YouTube, and I click sign on. I'm using incognito so it didn't recognize me. I always am hopeful that when I'm using a, okay, so I can either go in as myself, which is just Jeremy Everett, but I've got a second account that I've linked to this one called SWOSU Computer Science. I'm a computer science faculty for SWOSU, so anyway, this is me. I'm going to use this one, and then up here in the corner, there's a little camera with a plus video, so I'll create this. I'll go upload video. and I'll hit select file and zoom. No. All right. So paste in the address. Turns out this is the one I wanted, and it's zoomed to Dropbox to Canvas. So I'll open that file. And so title, zoom to Dropbox to Canvas. Okay. And so, yes, it's for kids. And then I guess more options. That's all good. Zoom, Canvas, Dropbox. I don't know that you have to do those, but I like to do them. It is in English. Recording date is today. I'll just call this home. Actually, I'll leave the location as none. Standard YouTube license, category education. Next, and I'm not going to do any of this for now. I'll just click on next, and I'll leave this one public. And then see, make sure none of the files. Yep, I'm good on that. I'm good on all the content. So I will hit publish. And when it gets done uploading the video, which it's at 27% left, when it gets done on that, we'll be able to go onto YouTube and we'll be able to see this. While it's working on that, I'll go ahead and show you how to upload things into Dropbox. So I'm going to kill off a few of these other websites and we'll act like we're starting from scratch. So I'll go to www.dropbox.com. I'll sign out and sign back in just so you can see what it looks like when you sign in. Actually, that's not quite what it looks like. This is more what it looks like. The sign on button is up here in the top. And then I'll click. That's my school email address. Your Dropbox password is independent. So I've got a different one for that. This always looks a little bit wonky. So I click on files. This is the view that I'm more accustomed to. This is what my folder on my computer looks like. I've got a folder called SWOSU Office for just office related things. And then I've got a folder called courses. And then inside of my courses, I've got one for every course that I do. This one I've been using general tutorials. So here's a video file for that. And then I just upload this video I just made. I'll click upload videos. I forget if that's right, so I paste in the address of the one I'm looking for. And there we have Zoom to Dropbox to canvas.mp4. And so I'll click open. And now it's uploading this. And so it's got a few minutes left there as well. So anyway, I'm not gonna make you watch. I'll just tell you, eventually all of this does get done. And when it does get done, then you'll be able to share your links. So inside Dropbox, I've already got another Zoom video that I've uploaded. I can just click the share button and it says, this is the name of the video that I already did. And you can create a link. So I already did that. And now I just hit copy link and it says view link copy is ready to share. Now I just go to swasu.edu. I log in as me. Hopefully it doesn't have me still cached. It did have me cached, so I had to log in. Now you just click on Canvas. I've got YouTube and Dropbox both using my internet connection, so it's getting heavy usage and my network connection is getting a little bit slower. Courses, I'll go out here to Blue Thunder Alley. I usually keep my links under modules. And then down here, I've got video recordings. I'll just do a new, I'll make this a external URL. I'll paste this in and I'll say Zoom to Dropbox demo, load it in the new tab, indent one level. I just do that because Mapopa said it looked nice, so I've always followed Mapopa's lead on that. And then we do this, and then you have to click one more button. And if you want to be extra careful to make sure that it loaded, you can click on Settings. Come down here to Student View. It takes you back to the home screen. And then I click on Modules. And I roll down, and here we have this. Dropbox has its own video player, which is nice for the students. They don't have to install anything.
All right, friends, we're going to do
And it is rolling. So here in a little bit, this upload will be complete. In a little bit, this upload will be complete, and you'll be able to see these on YouTube and on Dropbox, and students are already able to see them in Canvas. So with that, thank you all for your time. I hope these videos are helpful, and if you have any questions, please do email me, jeremy.evert@swosu.edu. Thank you all for your time. Have a wonderful day.